In today's work environment, maintaining superior air quality is essential for employee health and productivity. The FreshView Office Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor is a cutting-edge solution designed to meet this need, providing real-time monitoring and app-based alerts to ensure a safe and healthy workspace. This innovative monitor tracks critical air quality factors such as particulate matter, PM2.5 and PM10, volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and carbon dioxide, CO2, levels. By monitoring these elements, the FreshView Office ensures that you are always aware of the air quality in your workspace. The integration of Wi-Fi technology allows for easy access to air quality data from any location. Through a user-friendly app, you can view current conditions and receive immediate alerts if air quality deteriorates. This feature is invaluable for prompt action, such as adjusting ventilation or implementing air purification measures. App-based alerts are the cornerstone of the FreshView Office's effectiveness. They notify you in real time when air quality needs attention, enabling swift responses to maintain a healthy work environment. This proactive approach is key to preventing health issues and maintaining productivity. For businesses aiming to prioritize the well-being of their employees, the FreshView Office Wi-Fi Air Quality Monitor is a must-have. It offers peace of mind, knowing that the air quality is continuously monitored and managed. To learn more about how the FreshView Office can benefit your workplace, please contact me via the email on my page. I will be happy to provide further details and respond to your inquiry promptly within 24 hours.